Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve when 6x square minus 6x is equals to 2x cube minus 2. So let's start with today's video. Please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. So from the LHS side, I can take 6x as common. So if I take 6x as common, what is left? X minus 1. Similarly, from the right hand side, I can take only 2 as common. So what is left? X cube minus 1. So if I'll divide by 2 throughout the equation, so 6x, x minus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 2x cube minus 1 also divided by 2. So 2 divided by 6x is 3x. So 3x, x minus 1, and here, if I eliminate 2 with 2, x cube minus 1. So 3x, x minus 1 is equals to, I can take it as 1 cube. So the formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So here, x cube is a and 1 is b. So I can write it as x minus 1 or x squared plus x plus 1. Now if I take the equation to one side, so x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1 minus 3x, x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now from both the numbers, I can take x minus 1 as common. So if I'll take x minus 1 as common, so what is left? X squared plus x plus 1 minus 3x is equals to 0. So x minus 1, x squared plus x minus 3x is minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now x minus 1, the second bracket is look like a quadratic equation. So we are applying the middle term split method. So the middle term minus 2x, I can break it as minus x and minus x. Minus minus is minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x minus 1, from the first two bracket, I can take x as common. So what is left? X minus 1. And from the next two, I take minus 1 as common. So x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now, x minus 1, if I'll take x minus 1 as common, what is left? X minus 1. So we have three values of x factors, that is x minus 1 equals 0. The second case is again x minus 1 equals 0. And the third case is also x minus 1 equals 0. So the value of x is 1 in each case. So if you put in this equation, x is equals to 1, you get the LHS equal RHS. I hope you like it. If you find it useful, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.